बोला था आमिर भाई को on December 29th Sunday weather is in 50s but
I have a right place for this.
it's too far out but keep it in mind
Ends at 12.
Today is our Windwalker holiday party at Chaskara Restaurant in North Brunswick. So we're about expecting around 26 people to attend, 26 Windwalker riders to attend. So we made a collage video that we're playing on TV right here. Let's see. Today's just about eating. We came in our cars, not our motorcycles. It's too cold outside, but let's see.
Fresh.
Calendars. In calendar. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Block your calendar for the second Saturday of December.
100% agree ये तो हमारा नहीं है यार
दीदी साहब लाए अपना भाई इंस्टा 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 इंस्टा
ये कौन है आगे?
ये श्री है ये पिछवाड़ा श्री का है ये श्री इज दैट योर बिहाइंड श्री इज दैट योर बिहाइंड श्री का तो
हार्ली डेविडसन नहीं नजर आ रहा था वो पीछे थे।
नहीं सबसे
हसीब का वो कहाँ गया?
सिगरेट पीने Vish is here also copying my jacket.
Right? And you have been crowned for those characteristics, right? But it is not just the characteristics, right? वो एक अपनी खाला होती है ना जो शादी में ऐसी हल्की आवाज से वो कमेंट पास करती है रोस्ट करती है लोगों को आज सबको वो खाला बनना है and you have to roast that person loudly. She should hear that roast. Okay?
and Chatham House rule apply whatever you gonna say it will remain here
Or whatever is said will remain here.
And on the video on YouTube.
क्या बोलते हो? No, he can be on the video. That's okay. So जो भी है मन की बात उसको मन में हल्के से ना बोलो जोर से बोलो.
you can do but just go throw stuff
सिर्फ मन की भड़ास निकालना कहीं और की भड़ास ना निकाल देना
okay and please don't take it to your heart it's all in हाँ भाई the first crown goes to Ali Irfan आजा भाई so Ali Irfan is
our roast वाला बंदा है
Ali Irfan is
Our multi-talented individual who rides with us.
yeah he's a singer as well for people who don't know
मुझे क्यों लग रहा है मेरे साथ बहुत बुरी होने वाली है
Devdas
ये मुझे क्यों लग रहा है मेरे साथ बहुत बुरी होने वाली है ये
all right the next one is Hasib
खोल ले
हाँ भाई पहले शुरू में ही
तुम्हारी सील खोल ली
तो सील से याद आया
अमीर कहाँ गया?
वन राइट पर ईयर Okay, so this one is for a guy called I Mad.
ओ तेरी पैन
Yeah? That guy I Mad. Okay, I Mad.
क्या मैड अल्लाह खैर
So Imad is, as we all know, slip now, Jay bhai. He's our media director behind the scenes.
इमाद का एक बहुत बड़ा डिलेमा है पता है जब वो पाकिस्तान जाता है और उससे लोग पूछते हैं कि भाई कौन सी बाइक चलाता है बे तू तो ये समझ तो वो पाकिस्तान में वांटेड लिस्ट में ही इज कंप्लीटली बीइंग डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड एंड ही इज बीइंग हंटेड
जब मुझे कॉल आती है कि तुमने इंडियन बाइक ले ली है पाकिस्तानी होते हुए
स्लिप नहीं होगा तेल लगाया
थैंक यू सो मच
Iman is a real life gangster, right?
नहीं अल्लाह माफ करे नहीं ओनली यूट्यूब गैंगस्टर घर में मैं वही हाल है जो आप सबका हाल है घर में मेरा वही हाल है जो आप सबका है
This guy is awesome, right? He joined our group later this year, right? He wasn't there with us since the starting. But since that day, whenever we plan a ride, he's there. Intikhab.
Yeah.
No.
Newest is Haseeb, by the way.
So, I think. So award is तेरा भाई आएगा.
भाई हमारे CIO भी हैं, ये एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री के, अगर किसी को कोई लिखत पढ़त चाहिए हो तो प्लीज कांटेक्ट करें. If you need education.
This one is very special.
अल्लाह खैर.
Yeah. This guy, we call him wingman, we give him different names. Well, his name is Suhail.
Yeah.
So, Suhail joined us this year. A solid rider. He started riding this year. Solid, amazing rider. He is always there, right next to you. Really fast.
Yeah.
He's called the Flying Squadron.
Yeah.
Nobody can catch a flying target. He did.
Thank you again to Tanveer Bhai and Tanveer Bhai. They supported me all the time when I was there. And they waited for me when I was just trying to catch up like 6 minutes.
Yep.
So that I was like 4 minutes away from them, but I couldn't catch them. That's a good thing. But then again, when I got to the point where I see them all together at one point, I'm sure you have saw that, there was no harsh words at all. So it was like...
You were expecting some?
नहीं, we had harsh words, but
Go ahead,
we had harsh words, we just didn't express it there.
So next one, before I call, I will give you guys an ammo to roast him. So I don't know if you have. So next one goes to Kamran. He is our baby rider. So 1, 2, 3.
इसके निप्पल है. भाई कामरान भाई जो है माशाल्लाह चौथे गियर तक पहुंच गए अपनी मोटरसाइकिल. उन्होंने उनके पास बाइक ऐसी थी मेरे ख्याल से 150 हॉर्स पावर है, लेकिन उसके अंदर से 30 हॉर्स पावर कंज्यूम हो चुकी है.
So this award goes to a guy who has been with us like throughout the year, right? Rode with us on all the long trips, other trips as well. Lately he's been busy, alright? But the special thing about that guy, he's normally second or third guy from the front, after the captain. Oh man. Doesn't matter, captain is going at 120, you look at him, he's right next to him. Oh man.
Yeah.
शकील भाई सुबह सबसे तेज चला था.
शकील भाई के साथ वो जो टेलर स्विफ्ट के साथ हुआ था.
Mr. Wingman.
Yeah.
He's always there. I'm like, okay, Umair, where are you? Oh, he's right there.
अरे किधर है यार उमेर कहाँ है पीछे तो हूँ.
His lights are bright and like you can't miss him and he's like.
अच्छा, इसकी 650 सीसी की बाइक जो है वो 1800 सीसी बाइक के साथ चल रही होती है.
He rides.
माशाल्लाह, he rides.
He rides.
ये लेकिन इसको इजाजत कम मिलती.
तेरी जितनी सीसी है.
So, देखो जी, I'll just make it simple. We're all men, but we're not all photogenic. That's it. There's one guy whose photos always come out really solid.
भले वो पर्सनल लाइफ में कैसा भी दिखे.
Yeah, whether his hair is grey, black, maroon. Once maroon.
शकील भाई आप बैठे रहे.
आज से इनका नाम होगा शकील चिकना.
Most photogenic guy.
शकील चिकना.
अरे बाप रे. This guy, yaar, he's the bravest of all.
अच्छा.
He comes from really far alone. The amount of miles which we ride as a group, he just do those miles alone.
ये
just to
फोन जिसका
join
भी है इससे इंटरनेशनल कॉलें बड़ी सुथरी सुथरी जा रही
us. This award is for Adil,
ये
the most distant rider.
Most distant rider.
So people who don't know, he lives in where? Harrisburg. Harrisburg.
Other side of the planet.
for other people who don't know, he is the Jesus of the group.
नहीं
Muhammad Jesus. Siddharth ji bhi.
Alright.
नहीं वो आ रहे हैं.
Guys, the next one is for the best tail gunner we can ever have. And the title that I have given him is Best Dumki Banduk.
तुमकी बंदूक.
Tail gunner, bhai.
ये टेल कर. Oh man.
बेस्ट दुम की बंदूक
ये तो बजने वाली है.
Oh man.
Okay, this guy.
You have to wear it.
They're taking photos soon. Okay, so this one is the guy who knows everything, literally everything about bikes, gear, everything. And he's the most well dressed.
ये श्री.
ये भाई की जितने की बाइक है ना उतने का गियर भी है. He is the most welcome customer in the Harley showroom. जैसे ही श्री घुसता है सब लाइन लगा के आइए.
भाई
Best gear.
श्री के बारे में एक चीज मशहूर है. श्री जब हार्ली डेविडसन के बाइक पे जाता है ना, शोरूम पे जाता है, लोग अपने पार्ट्स अपनी मोटरसाइकिल निकाल के फेंकने शुरू कर देते हैं. प्लीज बाय दिस.
$25,000 for upgrade.
ये
श्री को खाली $500 बोले यार.
जावेद भाई थैंक यू फॉर दैट मटेरियल. अब ये सबकी माई मोटरसाइकिल ये दिलाएगा.
I want to say a few things here. So, when I've been riding in this country since 2010,
Wow.
I've also started my own group. But the reason I'm part of Windwalkers is that there's plenty of riding opportunity, right? Plenty of riding opportunity. Really passionate bikers. Second thing is, every single person is just amazing, kind, and friendly. So I'm proud to be part of this group. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Proud to have you.
I have a question. So since you mentioned about the name Windwalkers, what happened to Devils? Because I joined Devil Group.
ये खाने के बाद.
ये खाने के बाद है. ये खाने के बाद है. इसके साथ ना एक और शॉर्ट भी होगी. मैं रोऊंगा बैठ के तुम्हारे साथ बैठ के. कौन आ रहा है?
So this guy is with the group since beginning, right? When we started, he's there in all longer rides, shorter rides, here and there. He loves to ride alone. When he bought his first bike, he just told a couple of guys, I'm going out for riding, and next call people receive work from Niagara Falls. He went there alone and came back. Amir bhai. ये हमारा बहुत डिस्टेंस राइडर है.
इसका एक के एक दूसरा नाम है
अभी सब पे इस्तेमाल करूंगा.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
अल्लाह खैर.
खतरनाक वाला.
ओ तो ठीक है.
Newest rider in the group, really solid rider. We love him, and amazing guy, Ritesh.
ये
You're a 2024 graduate. Here you go.
और देखो नाम देखो क्या है.
ये ग्रेजुएशन. As per Windwalker tradition.
मुझे लगा कि आई एम रियली कीपिंग अप विद दिस गाय. ओके, मैं आपके साथ टीम में पीछे ही खड़ा हूं. तो जावेद भाई जा रहे थे. आई वाज लाइक किधर है? कहां पे इनको देखो. अच्छा मेरे पीछे कोई है. थैंक यू फॉर स्लोइंग डाउन. आपके साथ थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा कैच अप करने.
नहीं वो हमें भी लगेगा टाइम वैसे.
Last time we rode a couple of Sundays back, and it's just like
A roller coaster, yeah.
roller coaster road. It goes up and down like this. This guy wasn't on the cardo, and he said when we stopped, he said I was shouting with joy in my helmet. That's what tells you what he was passionate about it. अरे बाप रे, ये भाई खतरनाक आदमी है.
अल्लाह खैर.
यार ये राइडर ऐसा है कि बस ना पूछो. I have a joy of having a long ride with me, him, Zulfi bhai, Shri, and Jamil bhai. All went. Zulfi, आ जाओ. Zulfi है. He's का चांद है कभी कभार दिखता है
राइट पर ही है
Crown for me.
one ride per year
All one ride per year. Make sure that it becomes multiple ride for next year.
Yes.
That's the whole aim and goal.
वरना चस्के का बिल भेज देंगे घर पे, बता रहा हूँ मैं, चस्के का बिल आ जाएगा.
So this is a rider we look up to him, all of us, you know, a very good rider. He gels was really well gels with everyone, and we love to have him around. Javed bhai.
And we wish and hope that we could ride with our sons when they
Yeah.
And,
Yep.
He has set a very good example, and we are really proud that he is in the group. And we really appreciate Javed bhai, and you really you are living the dream with your son riding.
Yeah,
with you.
Alhamdulillah,
we love it.
Amazing.
We love it.
And
Thank you.
don't
Senior Rider Daddy
Senior
Award.
Rider Daddy Award. That's your award.
अरे बाप रे, ये कहाँ से आ गया? ये कहाँ से आ गया? हाँ, that's what you say when you see him. You pass to like the
Yeah.
He is the fastest windwalker, boss.
तहा के बारे में एक बहुत मशहूर चीज है कि तहा ने बड़ी मुश्किल से तुर्की जाके अपने बाल लगवाए, लेकिन मोटरसाइकिल इतनी तेज चलाई कि वो भी उड़ गए थे.
Taha bhai hooked me up with the guy that I got my hair transplant done. And Taha
दोनों के ग्रोटी में
तकलीफ वही है, हो रहे हैं नहीं हो रहे.
He was pointing at the wrong hair.
Taha has been riding for a long time, but right now उसका passion थोड़ा collection में चला गया है.
Kamran.
And he's riding a lot of bikes with me right now.
तहा है.
थैंक यू भाई थैंक यू
अच्छा आप इधर आते जाओ.
तहा.
और तेरी के भाई. This rider, again, he's been with us since beginning. Most of the time he's very busy, especially on weekends. He was on his own rides. And then he tells, oh, I went there. So if I all went to Shenandoah, we did bloody 800 miles, and he was riding parallel to us, 800 miles. He didn't even told us. Sufyan. Allah! He's our lone wolf.
The lone wolf.
He's the only one who.
He was riding through the heat, and we were all sleeping up on
And
the mountains.
and he was also internally on heat.
अरे बाप रे. So this is a special award, right?
ये जुनेद जमील आमिर भाई आपका है.
Smash Burger with level 4.
हाँ बस.
So this is a special award. This goes to a guy who is one of the founders of this group, right? And
मतलब इनकी ली जाएगी आज.
ओ नहीं
बगैर वैसलीन नहीं है थोड़ा.
नहीं.
it depends on both of you.
पहले आने दो, पहले आने दो, आने दो.
ये भी बता दो लेवल 1 या लेवल 2
स्पाइस लेवल क्या होना.
He's a really slim, smart, handsome guy, and he rides a fat boy.
Yeah.
So his base and fat boy, you know, weight is same. And when he leans like crazy. Krish. So, the most lean angle. Krish.
Yeah. Slim boy on fat boy. He's a slim boy and fat boy.
So, okay, so this award is for the guy who, we don't say it, but we all envy him. And we envy him a lot. Every single ride on a new motorcycle. We don't have anything to say. MashaAllah, yaar.
Actually, कमीने.
Big air. So we were sitting in Shenandoah. There was Mardar project. Sarsari Kal Pani.
मैं कर लूँ.
ओ पाजी आ गए जी पाजी.
क्या हो रहा है भाई? आमिर भाई
ये प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला है भाई.
अरे भाई साहब, इसका तो क्या. So, just like a deal, we have another rider. Little bit of distance, not like a deal, a shorter one, but he does come. And he has been with us almost all the rides. So, very committed, is always there, man of few words, but a really solid rider. And we, and like Uzi comes every other time on a new bike. Jamil bhai.
Yeah.
ये भी अलग अलग बाइक पे आता है.
Thank you very much.
He has a dealership. Haven't you noticed the dealer number plate?
तुमको क्या लग रहा था हमारे साथ राइड पे आ रहे मोटरसाइकिल का एडवर्टाइजमेंट था.
अरे भाई ये बंदा तूफान है. So this guy, I call him crazy bike, don't mind him. I like we said. So once you're on a ride, he gets so upset he wanted to kick someone. He's coming. He knows. But this is the guy who has done most overseas trips,
and that's why he's the overseas rider.
And you know, they're always fun to hang out with, right? One of those guys is Waqar.
Yeah.
Waqar.
Sounds fun riding, you guys. I wouldn't be riding at the rings and my expertise if I had.
You got a perfect picture there.
Perfect inspiration, man.
Tanveer bhai,
This is for you.
बाकी बाद में भाई. Didn't want you to feel alone. Alright? So you're not the only one. There are other riders as well who just only come for shooting it. Every time they're busy or they don't want to join.
या इजाजत नहीं मिलती है, परमिशन नहीं मिलती. आसिफ
So, Asim, like received his also one ride per year award. वो alone वाली count है.
तुम recent हो तुम, but we're gonna watch you.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you. Next award, please.
नहीं पहले ये बात.
भाई साहब, वो एक जोक सुनाया था किसी ने निप्पल वाला भी थोड़ी देर पहले. वो जो बच्चा रोता है ना आगे, है ये अवार्ड उसके लिए. इसको हर दफा ना बार बोलना पड़ता है, वो भाई खुदा के लिए रुक जा,
स्लो हो जा.
डेंजरस नहीं, मैं तो राइड करने आया, मैं राइड करूंगा. इसको देनी पड़ेगी दो. Now the thing is, in all fairness, he's the guy who basically makes sure that ride is safe.
Yep.
He calls out
Yep.
if he sees any danger ahead. Alright, he's our captain. He's our main rider.
Yeah.
अच्छा अभी voodoo master.
Voodoo master.
Story of the voodoo master.
भाई एक दिन क्या हुआ है, एक दिन जावेद भाई हमारे साथ राइड पे नहीं आए हुए थे, ठीक है, और उस दिन कुछ अजीब हरकतें हो रही थी. जो सबसे स्लो राइडर था तनवीर भाई, जो आमतौर पे स्लो ही करते हैं, वो सबसे तेज चला रहे थे. और इतना फर्क पड़ा था कि शकील भाई कह रहे थे कि यार तनवीर थोड़ा स्लो चलाना. तो उस दिन हमने थोड़ा सा एनालाइज किया ये हो क्या सकता है कि जावेद भाई घर पे है, तो पता ये चला कि जावेद भाई के पास ना बहुत सारी वुडू डॉल्स मिली हैं. उनमें से एक में येलो हेलमेट थी, एक में पैर टूटा हुआ था सब. तो अंदाजा ये हुआ कि वो वुडू डॉल्स को कंट्रोल कर रहे थे राइड के अंदर. हाँ, तो एक जब बॉल यहाँ लगी तो झटका लगा. मैंने कहा बेटा आज हम वी आर अंडर स्पेल, ये घर से बैठ के राइड कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. और वेरी ऑन वुडू मास्टर. ये
voodoo master का टैग लग गया. So have some other, but the people are not here.
सबके पास हो गया? कौन रहता है? आसिम को मिल गया ना? क्राउन? क्राउन मिल गया. Everybody has a crown? और कौन रहता है? वासिफ रहता है. इमरान.
Given my एक बात बताऊं, I met him like maybe what 13, 12 years ago.
Pan Asia.
I have his phone number saved as well, Pan Asia.
Pan Asia.
He started the whole Pan Asia type Indo-Pak, Chinese thing. Huge restaurant tour, mashallah. He has a bakery, Swiss Valley, the biggest bakery in Morristown. Right now in New Jersey actually. So mashallah, har cheez mein, everything, he has shown that he is not a restaurant tour, he is the restaurant tour. ठीक है? और यहाँ की party was a no-brainer, मुझे यही करवाना था. Alright, we all unanimously decided कि यही होगी party. So that's why we are giving you the Chaska Maska King Grounds. Windwalkers Motorcycle Group. You are officially endorsed by Windwalkers.
Now
Hopefully we are endorsed by you.
And next year by summer, maybe he'll have a motorcycle, maybe a
Yes.
fat boy, and he'll be riding.
I am going to convince his son to do it.
He's gonna get killed.
He's into the cars group, by the way.
Yeah.
He's a
By
car
the way,
fan.
thank you so much for coming. And anytime you guys want to come here, please feel free to stop by. Thank you so much. And inshallah, we have few surprises next year regarding Cheska. Yes, new places, new adventures. Awesome. And also, I love motorcycles. A lot of my friends who are American have motorcycles.
We are also American.
This is हमारा देसी strong bro. But I wish you be safe and ride together. May Allah protect you all the time. Amen. And that's it. And enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
मगर तुमने बताया नहीं ये पहन के रहना रात 12 बजे तक.
Who has not met Imran Siddiqui?
Great angle. कहाँ से? कैसे लिया?
कैमरा.
Drone.
कैमरा.
My God, that was awesome, man.
आगे क्या?
आगे मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं तो मैं देख रहा था आपके कर्व देख रहा था.
हैं?
ये मैप नहीं देगा.
नीचे नहीं ऊपर वाला.
This is the tail of the dragon.
और नीचे टेल थी.
11 miles. There are 311 towers. Tennessee and
चाय आ रही है.
so much. Yes, like picture. You know, every curve, there are photographers. You go to their website and you can see your date. You download, you pay them $78. Amazing picture. He'll show you. He has it. So you don't need to take it. They're all website. You put it and send it back. No, this, when I it came from India. It's Gujarat. That's how मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैंने लगाने नहीं दिया. उसने लगाया. I didn't get permission, but in the basement I'm going to put it on there. Alright, so guys, everyone knows Imran Siddiqui, right? The red GS guy. So he has a special title, and since he is not here, I really want to give him that title.
Yeah.
Because give the phone. So the person who has known him the longest will receive the title, and maybe we'll share the video with him. The title for him is the project manager.
This is you, not me.
Yes. Okay, there you go. This is for Imran Siddiqui because he will create projects and then he will not show up.
Like today.
Like today, every ride that we have done, big rides, it has been his project. And we executed it and he didn't show up.
8 times out of 10.
So that's why we give you the title of project manager. Imran Siddiqui, this is for you. The crown is with Imad, you can take it.
Thank you.
ओए कोई सॉन्ग कोई पुराने इंडियन सॉन्ग बताओ जरा. इंडियन सॉन्ग कोई इंडियन सॉन्ग बताओ जरा. यो इंडियन सॉन्ग बताओ जो सिंग करना. इंडियन सॉन्ग
वो किशोर कुमार का गा लो ना वो वाला पल पल
वो सोफ्ट है, रोमांटिक गाना है।
ये दोस्ती
तो हमारा रोमांस चल रहा है ना बाइक के साथ।
चलो आ जाओ
बुजुर्गों ने फरमाया कि पैरों पे अपने खड़े होके दिखलाओ, फिर हर फसाना तुम्हारा है, जमाने के सुरताल के साथ चलते चले जाओ, फिर हर फसाना
क्या बात है
तुम्हारा है।
शादियों
अरे तो लो भैया हम अपने पैरों के ऊपर खड़े हो गए और मिला ली है ताल, दबा लेगा दांतों तले उंगलियां, देख कर ये जहां अपनी चाल। धन्यवाद। के पग घुंघरू के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी।
Yeah, boss.
It's one of my favorite
Yeah.
songs.
So, I bought a motorcycle. Didn't know how to ride it. Learned just the basics on YouTube, right? Then,
What a great track.
Didn't have a license for 1 year.
Didn't have a license for 1 year.
some video. So learned it from YouTube how to change gears, how to shift, how to move forward, but I didn't know how to ride it safely. Then Tanveer Bhai, where is he? There he is. Right, Tanveer Bhai reached out to me on like the 5th day when I had the motorcycle. And he said, yo, there was an acquaintance that we had, we met through. He's like, by the way, boss, if you want to ride with us, you can come with me. There's a guy named Krish and Sam, we go out, if you want to go with us. Like, okay, boss, what's up? I was like, okay. I said, listen, I only went to the 3rd gear right now.
उसका पेटेंट डालो भाई साहब।
I only went to the 3rd gear right now. I haven't done anything. So khair, a week later, I told him to reach out to me a week later, and he did. He was very diligent, mashallah. And he called me, he was like, boss, I'm with Facebook, let's go. I was okay, take it easy with me. I've only gone to like 45 miles an hour. And that day I met Tanveer Bhai.
Somebody still does that.
I met Krish. And I met Sam, who's not here with us today. He's not at this party today, don't get me. But so we all 4 got together and said, "Kahan chalna hai, kidhar jana?" And I said, take it easy. All of these were connected on Cardo. I was like completely, just like Waqar is right now. He has no idea what's happening. But so we went to Van Sant Airport, went to New Hope, and we coined up the name Devils of Monroe because we're all from Monroe. And that's when we were 4 people. The first video, I think, and this one kind of shows that. And we made this video, this small team, and we never thought it was going to go long. Imran Bhai reached out. I knew Javed Bhai from I gave him the itch of target shooting.
Exactly.
He further itchified me with motorcycling. Right? And I learned so much from these guys. Tanveer Bhai, Javed Bhai, Imran Bhai, Shakil Bhai. Right? These were my mentors on the motorcycle front. And I think of them as my soulmates, my soul brothers, my mentors that I could never have. Shri in Zen Riders also. So the best part is, right, we grew so well with just 4 riders in June of last year. But today, by adding Haseeb, we are now 50. We have all faiths, we have all political parties maybe. We have firefighters who have, from adventure groups. We have all people from all nationalities, alhamdulillah, right? We are such a great group. To the point where I was actually at a Friday prayer and I came out and I saw 2 or 3 motorcycles. And one of my friend, he said, Qadir bhai, he was like, oh, Imad, ye tere type ke motorcycle. These are not our type. We're way ahead. We've done so many miles now. We've done so many areas. Like French Town ka naam, they should name it Desi Town now by the time we do it. Yeah, they should start selling halwa puri or something in that Birch Cafe. The amount of times we visited that, really, right? So the point I'm trying to make here is, we kept this whole group very secular. We kept this whole group about the passion of riding. And most likely, when we make these videos, right? I have videos, Tanveer Bhai has videos, you all, we contribute together to make these things. The only thing that I remember is that we have machines. We are the only people who fell in love with our machines. I never thought it was possible. You know, maybe Skynet taking over, I don't know. Like, these machines have, brought us together. And the best part that I see in here, highlights, is us. Not the destinations, not the motorcycles, not videos, not the whole planning, which is all done so beautifully by our mentors and everybody else. It's us. So, thanks to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
We never thought we'd be this big. Love you guys all. Let's keep on growing with like-minded riders, like-minded people, and let's have fun. Let's do what we do best.
Golden rule is ride.
Yep.
Ride with us, ride anywhere, ride. The golden rule of this group is, if one rider is coming, ride is on.
Ride is on.
All you need is one additional rider, the ride is on. And buy a card, please.
Someone knows what he wants.
Did you record or not? मैं बोल पड़ा था.
के लिए भी एक ताज आया है. ये भाई ने भी ये 2024 में चलानी शुरू करी और जितनी बाइक हमने अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं चेंज करी उससे ज्यादा इन्होंने अपनी 1 साल की राइड में चेंज कर दी. इनके लिए खास किताब दिया गया है.
खूनखार राइडर.
ये जो प्लान बनाता है ना, ये प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर की स्कोप से भी बाहर के प्लान बनाता है.
ये स्कोप है. इनसे किसी ने कहा था चार जायज है, ये मोटरसाइकिल समझ बैठे. उन्होंने स्टार्ट भी किया. यूं मतलब
ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया.
फिर उससे पतली आई. अब ये है कि डिसेंट साइज आ गई है.
नहीं, और पतली भी आ गई है.
पतली और भी है मेरे लिए. लोग बहुत जेलस हैं इनसे. हम मोटरसाइकिल की बात कर रहे हैं. पूरी बाइक
चाहिए करे आपका ऑर्डर.
हो गया ऑर्डर.
आज बताओ वसीम भाई को देखना है आपको क्या ताज दिया गया है. ताज बोला
इनकी तो यार जैकेटों का बस हम देख के
ये वही ताज दी है.
यार इनकी जो है ना ये बड़े एक्सपेंसिव आते हैं जरा.
ज़रा नहीं, बहुत.
जितने की बाइक है उतने का
हाँ, मैच करता है. वार्डरोब मैच होता है.
लास्ट टाइम ये जैकेट पहन कर आया, कहता 12,000 की जैकेट है. मैंने कहा मेरी मोटरसाइकिल 11,000 की.
ताजपूछी हो गई है भाई.
राइडर यार इतना भी नहीं. 7,000 माइल ओनली.
ये देखो, ये खून नहीं है तो और क्या है? ये खून ही.
वो वाला खून नहीं था. तुम्हारी जबान को लगू लग चुका.
हाँ,
बस तुम्हें मजा चढ़ गया और तुम उसमें भी नहीं रुके. तुम एम्पायर बन गए. तुम्हारे को इन्फेक्ट करते जा रहे हो.
तुमने हसीब को इन्फेक्ट किया. हसीब का है.
दूसरा नाम भी मैंने सोचा था. क्या है पता है?
इस साल 11 राइडर्स ने फर्स्ट टाइम लर्नर्स परमिट लिया.
सुनो,
ये ग्रुप
और फिर एतराज है कि खूफार राइडर क्यों है.
इसका दूसरा नाम है द पैस्टर. इसने जितने लोगों को कन्वर्ट किया है ना, उसका हम
एक है कन्वर्ट पीछे खड़ा हुआ है, वो देखो जरा. एक वो कन्वर्ट खड़ा हुआ है पीछे.
लोगों को पकड़ के ले जाते हैं. बाद में बाइक दिलाएंगे.
क्रिकेट खेलने आए तो मैंने उसको पीडीएफ भेजा. मैंने
ये
कहा
पकड़ के लेके जाता है उसको. वो बाइक खरीद के आ जाता है.
ये दोनों मिले हुए.
इन लोगों के साथ डीलरशिप में नहीं जाना.
ओ भाई ये भी बात, ये भी है, ये भी एक है. ये भी ऐसे ही मुसलमान हुआ है.
सुहेल भाई की अच्छी बात ये है 10 साल से उन्होंने लर्नर्स परमिट लिया हुआ था.
नहीं.
लाइसेंस ये कह रहे थे कोई मुझे मिले, कोई करप्ट बंदा मिले तो मैं राइड करूं. फिर उन्होंने जो है इन्होंने भी कितने 6,000 मील चला दिए पहले साल.
नहीं ऊपर किए हैं तूने. ये तो हमारे साथ है भाई.
हमारे साथ ही चला है. जो चला है हमारे साथ ही चल रहे हैं.
बस तुम्हारा खाना आ रहा है. आ
6,000 करा दे.
जाओ अंदर आके बैठ जाओ सारे. आ जाओ, थोड़ी देर बैठ जाओ. आ जाओ.
क्या खाओगे क्या? He'll show you. He has them. So you don't need to click pictures. They're all taking pictures. You just pay $7-8. Then you download the image and you send it out to the website. They put it and send it back. No, this when we ordered it, it came like roaster and laminated, like everything. It came from India. It's Gujarat. That problem was मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. कुछ इससे इसके पास भी है, मेरे पास भी है. अभी तक ये बीवी ने लगाने नहीं दिया है. इसने लगाया है. ठीक है.